All right, so right now we're gonna try. Let me see if this picking me up. Picking me up? Yeah. So right now we're gonna try to buy something on Bitrefill, get a gift card using your MetaMask wallet, using my MetaMask wallet. So I've never done this before. I'm on the phone with DeAndre. He's on the phone. Say what's up, Didi. I mean,
You.
the vibes, my little bro. So we out here doing the thing. All right. So let me stop clicking around and get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get, let's say, what's something quick I could get, DeAndre?
Try Amazon.
Amazon. All right. All right. I'm gonna just do a test run. So I'm gonna just do like $20 Amazon gift card.
That's not Amazon.
Oh shit. My God. They both
Yo,
they
bro, you
they both
lagging.
red. Nah, they both red. You know what's crazy? I'm thinking maybe that's a sign. Maybe I should just book a hotel. Alright, I'll do that the next video. Right now I'm gonna just run through the example.
You press Amazon right there.
Nah, but ah I think it's cause I'm in Jamaica, it won't show up. They're gonna show me a different country. I need to get a US one. Ay, ay, ay. See, this one's the Canadian one. That's Delta. How about this? eBay.
Mm-hmm.
See? Different countries. What is this? Canada. Nah. I'm in Jamaica. Hold on. All right, people. So we're just going to go ahead and do hotels.com. See, I knew it was a reason I was trying to get it the first time. Now, this is just a test video, people. So I'm going to just throw a little something in, nothing stupid. Let's throw a 20. Let's try that. Add to cart. Damn, there's a whole bunch of stuff on here. All right, let me take those off. Okay, now check out. Now, since I'm using my MetaMask wallet, I'm utilizing BNB mostly. I don't have Binance Pay. So we're going to select Bitcoin. Now, this is here, the code, the QR code. I could scan it from my phone, I believe, but since we're doing a video, I'm going to just do it another way. I'm going to copy this right here. It says send this amount. So 0.30 47947. 47947. Okay, let's see if I can remember this. So to this Bitcoin address, you click that and it says copied. I'll go right here to BNB. Make sure BNB is selected. Binance Smart Chain. Okay. Wait, what am I talking about? Oh yeah, I might have to do this video if I'm tripping. All right, go over here to change now. So put the BNB on top. How much did it say it came to? 3047947. Oops, in Bitcoin, sorry. 3047947. Okay, that would be 0.049 BNB. If you want to verify that, you can always, BNB is 420 today. Now it's 421, and it's actually 420. Going on 421. That's crazy. All right, so 0.047. Is that what it was? Is that 0492? See, $20. Okay, so that's accurate. That adds up. So we're gonna go here and press exchange. Let me see if I'm logged in. I'm not sure why it's moving so slow right now, but Okay, there we go right there. So you enter the Bitcoin payout address. DeAndre, you see this, right?
Mm-hmm.
You entered the Bitcoin BTC payout address, which should be right here. Okay, copy that. Add that there.
Bro, you so like I go to war.
What are you talking
That's what
about?
I'm looking for that. Like, copy that.
Wait, payment link. Oh, that's a link to it. Oh, copy that. Oh yeah, real war. War zone of gift cards. All right, let's get it. So I'll
Mm.
press next right here. Oh, hold on, something came up. Ah, they're asking me to connect to other networks. Sorry about that. What do I know? Okay, people. Clicked it again. It showed up. Now, you could have the QR code right here. If I had my phone, I would have used that. But since I'm not, I'm going to press unlock MetaMask. Make sure my MetaMask is connected right here. Then press deposit. They do give me a time for that. Yes, yes. So DeAndre, tell the people a little bit about your crypto journey, how that's been going for you.
Yeah, that been going good because I made over $50 last night.
You made it.
I
Hold on. You made over what? You made over $50 last night.
Nah, this morning like 3 o'clock.
Oh, this morning. Wait, how old are you?
13.
You 12.
What?
You 13 for real?
Yes.
Man, we getting old out here.
14
Mm.
October.
Okay, so you 13. Made 50 this morning. And how much did you invest to make that?
0.
Zero. Oh, they not gonna believe this. And you would say like you're making money consistently, like daily?
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What's going on?
I'm using referral links still.
My boy said I'm using referral links. Yeah, I actually used my little brother referral link when we jumped into let me just open it up right here. When we jumped into Grinch Bucks, I just used his referral link. And as you guys can see, it's going ham, literally, and green eggs. All right, boom. So as that's going, you can see is going through the motions now. It got a deposit, confirming, exchanging, and the recipient wallet is this right here, which should tie directly into the Bitrefill.
That name that show up on my John.
What was it showing up?
Like the minimum wallet, right? They say name that show up on my one.
Oh, it wasn't? Wait, if you were on your phone, were you on the MetaMask? Were you on a browser in the MetaMask wallet?
Mm-hmm.
And what wasn't showing up? This right here?
No, the minimum wallet. You click the minimum wallet and then you click
Oh, right here when the MetaMask wallet showed up. All right, for mobile, it might be a little bit different. Might be a little bit different. For mobile, you actually probably just had to copy the QR code instead of pressing MetaMask. You could just copy the QR code, and then you'll go into your MetaMask wallet like this. You looking right, and then you could
Mm-hmm.
press send, and then you will actually add the address right here that you copied. Well, obviously it's not that, but you just add the address right there, and then you could put the actual amount. At least that's what I'm thinking. I don't see why not. It should tie directly into that like that. If I'm wrong, people just comment down below. We all new to this, but we're learning as we go, and that's what I like about this community. You know what I mean? DeFi for life. Let's get it. All right, so that's sending. Yeah, hey DeAndre, let me ask you something. What would you say is like would be like a plan for you for the future as far as like I wouldn't say a plan, but like what do you say is like a goal for you in in throughout DeFi, throughout like crypto and DeFi, or is it too early for you to even know what your goal is?
I'm trying to reach 1 million a day.
You trying to reach 1 million a day? Yo, talk about ambitious. My boy's my boy just climbed the Eiffel Tower and started beating on his chest. He said 1 million a day. Okay, I can't knock it. I gotta respect it. Gotta respect it. That would be amazing. That would definitely be amazing. That mean in less than 3 years, if you could do that for less than 3 years, you'd be at $1 billion. Wow. Yeah. Yo, this is taking forever. And sometimes these things do take long just to let the people know. And hold on, watch it. Watch this, watch this. Okay, it says payment pending. Okay. So progress, people. You think yo DeAndre, you think I should let them hear the little sample for the song I just let you hear?
Yeah, man, make them get one little piece. Like,
When they get a little piece, I'm gonna just give y'all a sample. I don't know if this is gonna be flagged. It's my lyrics though. Shout out to Jamaica. Listen. Call out for the gas, but of course just come for the stove. Oh, me fi pay me floor bill, but the Wi-Fi I move slower. It's like everything I raise, but the paycheck still not grow. What me say? Everything I raise, but the paycheck still not grow. JPS, water commission and rent, just on the whole paycheck, and me no pay back the digi loan yet. Jaja, JPS, water commission and rent, just on the whole paycheck, and me no pay back the digi loan yet. DeAndre, me no pay back the digi loan, Wi-Fi alone, funny bang phone. Alright, that's it. That's all I give it up. That's all I give it up.
come like you give them a whole song.
Yo, what's going on? All right, so now it says sending to you. Now, what I do realize right now, my connection is kind of moving shaky, people. So you just gotta bear with me. It should be faster where you're at. I am in Jamaica right now. Not saying we got bad Wi-Fi, but right now I don't know what. Like from earlier today, it's just been kind of moving a little slow. Although I've been out for majority of the day, so I wouldn't even know. Since I came back home, it's been moving shaky. But anyway, let's get it. Bam bam. You have dedicated your payment of 0.00047 Bitcoin and are waiting for it to be confirmed on the network. You may continue to browse and buy products. Okay, so we're supposed to continue to lollygag and do these things. All right, boom. Let me ask you a question, DeAndre. What projects are you in? Huh? DeAndre, I can't hear you. Hello? Are you there? Are we having technical difficulties? Hold on. Hold on. No, I want to stop sharing the screen. No. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, now I can hear you. What happened? You went underwater?
Nah,
All right, what projects are you in? As a 13-year old.
I mean, what's it called?
Any of these on the screen? Let me
Wait, I'm
see.
coming. No, there's something.
You are in Grinch Bucks. I do know that. Also,
DeFi Temple.
DeFi Temple. You're in DeFi Temple. For some reason, DeFi Temple, you know,
That
it's not even on Monarch, but I think it's pretty decent. I think they need to hurry up and make the minting live for the month. Oh, I think it's out right now. Yeah, I think I could buy one. I wonder if I should I? Anyway, oh snap, I got some referrals. Ah, respect to you, whoever it is that joined under me. Let's get it. DeFi Temple is doing this thing. I like it. It's different. They do the NFT thing. What do you think about it, DeAndre? DeAndre, my boy is busy. Yeah, yeah. So anyway, okay. Finally, I see something say transaction confirmed. Confirmed transaction. Okay, order complete. I have $20 in hotels.com. What the hell? Now I just gotta find some right hole that I can rent for $20 a night. All right, let me stop. But I will be adding more to this. This actually been my first time doing this as well. I know you guys could probably tell. And then I guess you could copy the link. You could unseal your rewards right here. Always unseal rewards. All right, let's do it. Let's do. Oh, wait. If I unseal it and show you guys, somebody could be watching the video and use it before me. You know what? If you watch the video this far, you could go ahead and have it. That sounds good, right, DeAndre? DeAndre left me hanging. He missed the crazy giveaway. Could have been him. And also, when you do transactions on Bitrefill, you actually earn a native token. I believe a token that works hand in hand with the site itself. Now look over here at my rewards. It says I have 479 SAT spendable balance. 20 cents. Not bad. Not bad at all. Free money. I'll take it. You've earned 20 cents in total rewards. I'll take it. I will take it. Now, I believe Change Now does the same thing. And I believe in this, I should have a lot more than 20 cents rewarded. But who knows? Okay, people. There we go. I spotted it out. Right here it shows total earned. Their token is called Now. That's on Change Now. And I earned about $1.92. And it's available as well. So that's good. And they do cashbacks and stuff like that. I'm not even sponsored by them, but I just think that's real cool that they do that. Okay, so there we go again for you guys. I don't know what DeAndre, he probably went to go take a shit. Let me stop. I'm being silly. I'm sure he has something important to do. I really wanted him to nah, you know what? I ain't even gonna get into that. We'll save some of that for another video at a later time. Like this video, people. We just showed how to actually purchase a gift card from Bitrefill. Okay? And a gift card, it can be used in many ways. Like gift cards could be used to save you on taxes, because you don't have to convert your money to US dollars and you don't have to have it in your bank account. You could use this for Amazon, eBay, Grubhub, groceries, streaming platforms. You can even pay your bills, Instacart, Kroger's, all these different things. You really don't even need cash anymore. We're in a cashless society. And what is cash really? They just print it. It's not like it's gold or diamonds. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah. Blessings, people. Y'all stay safe. Remember, it is not financial advice. All of this is entertainment. Stay blessed. I'm out. Wait, hold up. DeAndre didn't get to say bye. Did he? He dead.